Good morning, students. Now let us start the new chapter, that is chapter 29 in Adi Sharma, but chapter I think 14 in NCERT, limits and derivative. This is very much important. This part is known as calculus of mathematics. Calculus. It is the main, it is heart of the mathematics. Until and unless you don't know this chapter, you can't do anything in class 12, because class 12 40 marks out of 80 is coming from based on trigonometry as well as calculus. Now let us start. First of all, we will see what do you mean by limits. Limit means what? Limit a function will exist if we can draw the graph in such a way that if the values of graph from left side will coincide with the graph from right side. That means if I draw graph like this, मैंने graph draw कर रही हूँ. Suppose that this is the function y is equal to fx and the graph of this function is like this. Now the value is coming to this point from left side. That means this limit is coming from left side and this limit is coming from right side. If both the values are coming equal, then you can say that the limit of the respective function will exist. The limits coming from left side is called left hand limit, that is left hand limit, yeah, LHL. And limit coming from right side is called right hand limit, yeah, RHL. If left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, then we can say that limit of the function at that point will exist. Dear students, don't skip these classes. This limit and derivative is very important from class 12. The very first chapter that will start from this limits based on this limit and derivative. तो एक फंक्शन का लिमिट एग्जिस्ट होना है तो उसका वो वैल्यू लेफ्ट साइड से जो वैल्यू लिमिट आता है वो राइट साइड से जो आता है वो अप्रोचिंग वैल्यू इक्वल आता है. तो वी कैन से दैट सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज वी आर टेकिंग इज सी. नाउ इफ द लिमिट ऑफ द फंक्शन एट द पॉइंट फ्रॉम LHL एट द पॉइंट C is equal to limit of the function fx at the point C from right side, then you can say that the limit of the respective function exists. Now in mathematics, this point, the area surrounding this is called neighborhood, and neighborhood is shortly written as NBD. Neighborhood means near to that point, approximately nearest to 0. Now if I am taking a point H, neighborhood of C, NBD, neighborhood of C, that H is approximately tending to, this is called tends, H tends to 0. Then left hand limit can be written in this way. Left hand limit LHL is equal to limit fx, इसको कहते हैं LIM, limit fx, या you can write it as limit fx x tends to, left मतलब C से कम, C से कम means C minus, and right hand limit can be written as limit fx is the given function, fx x tends to C plus. But I told you we are taking an arbitrary very small value nearest to 0, so that LHL can be written as limit, या LIM लिख सकते हैं, LT लिख सकते हैं, limit h tends to 0 f of x tends to C minus, that implies x equal to C minus h. C minus means पीछे का वैल्यू, तो x tends to C minus, माइनस ऊपर लिखते हैं, x tends to C minus means x equal to C minus h. तो x C के इक्वल आना है, h को कहाँ जाना पड़ेगा 0 में. x tends to C implies x tends to 0. Similarly, x tends to C plus means x equal to C plus h. x को C में tend होना है, then h should be tends to 0 के पास में आना चाहिए. Then C plus is equal to limit RHL. First of all, write limit LHL. Limit h tends to 0. C minus means x को क्या लेना है? C minus h. Therefore, C minus h. here limit h tends to 0, right hand में f of c plus h. What is h? H is arbitrary very small value nearest to 0 from the neighborhood of the given point. That means the limit of the function fx is said to be existing if the value of the limit of the function from left side equal to limit of the function from right side of that respective point. That is left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. If left hand limit equal to right hand limit, then you can say that limit of the function at that point exists. Now, if h is the arbitrary very small value in the neighborhood of the given point which is absolutely nearest to 0. That means for taking left hand limit at the point C, you can write x tends to. This can be read as limit fx x tends to c plus x tends to c plus. In the arbitrary, the neighborhood from the neighborhood of C, the point that we are considering, h is very minutely very small quantity. That means in the left hand limit x tends to c minus means x tends to 0. That is limit fx x tends to c minus equal to limit x tends to 0 f of c minus h, since we are considering the point C. Similarly, RHL is limit fx x tends to c plus, that is limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h. If both the limits are coinciding, then you can say that the limit of the given function exists. This is the basic concept of the topic limits and derivative. The function whose limits are existing and their derivatives can be found out, that we will study later. Now, by doing some question, you will get a clear idea about that one. Now, what do you do? If you are given the function in redefined form, आपको function redefined form में दे रखा होगा ना, तो आपको RHL अलग निकालना है, LHL h से नहीं निकालना है, सीधे वैल्यू पुट करना है. But in AD Sharma, every question is done by h method. It is not necessary until and unless you are not given the function is redefined form. If you are given the function is redefined form, then there is no need of using this h method. Otherwise, you have to use the h method. If the function is limit is finding at the point C, then left hand limit is c minus h, using that one, and right hand limit is c plus h. Similarly, if you are given modulus function, you have to redefine it. Now let us do question, then it will be clear. Example 1, page number 29.5. I am reading the question. Evaluate the left hand and right hand limit of the function fx given by, fx is given in two form, that is redefined form. This is known as redefined form. Redefined form, and given as 1 plus x square if 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, and second one is 2 minus x if x greater than 1 at the point x equal to 1. At x equal to 1. You are given function between 0 to 1, the value is fx is 1 plus x square, and above greater than 1, the function is 2 minus x, and you are asked to find the left hand limit as well as right hand limit of this function at x equal to 1. That is left hand limit is equal to limit fx x tends to, this is called as tends to 1 minus means पीछे का. Now 1 minus means 1 से कम, कौन सा फंक्शन आ रहा है 1 plus x square, तो आप क्या लिखेंगे लिमिट fx is replaced by 1 plus x square, क्योंकि 1 से कम में ये फंक्शन डिफाइन हो रहा है. 1 plus x square x tends to 1, फिर माइनस नहीं लिखेंगे. वापस बोल रही हूँ, इस तरह का फंक्शन जब भी आता है वो रिडिफाइंड फॉर्म में होता है, तो 1 पे पूछा है तो 1 से लेस में ये फंक्शन एग्जिस्ट होगा, 1 से ज्यादा में ये फंक्शन एग्जिस्ट होगा. 1 से लेस मीन्स दैट इज लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट. तो आपको लिखना ऐसा है LHL is equal to limit fx x tends to 1 पे पूछा 1 माइनस. नाउ लिमिट, अब आप 1 माइनस में कौन सा फंक्शन ले रहे हैं 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर ले रहे हैं, फिर ये 1 माइनस एक्स नहीं लिखेंगे, सिर्फ लिमिट x tends to 1 लिखेंगे. नाउ क्या करेंगे, नाउ यू विल पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x equal to 1, that is 1 plus 1 square 1 plus 1 2, that is LHL. Next is RHL. RHL is equal to limit fx x tends to 1 plus होगा, that is limit x tends to 1 plus में कौन सा फंक्शन है 1 से ज्यादा 2 minus x. Then no need of writing 1 plus here. like here also x tends to 1, second function कौन सा लेंगे 2 minus x, तो 1 plus the function is 2 minus x, 1 minus function is 1 plus x. Now just put the value 2 minus 1 equal to 1. That is RHL. That is LHL equal to 2 and RHL equal to 1. That means LHL not equal to RHL. That means limit fx x tends to 1, इसको आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं LHL is 1 minus not equal to limit fx x tends to 1 plus. Therefore limit fx x tends to 1 does not exist. Does not exist. In this way you can solve the question. इस तरह आप क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Now one more question we will do. After that we will wind up the class. That is example 2 of the same page number. I'm reading the question. If fx equal to, fx is given as x minus mod x by x, x not equal to 0, this is one form, and second is 2 if x equal to 0, show that limit fx x tends to 0 does not exist. Does not exist. Now what we will do, you can either redefine it. अगर आप इसको redefine करना चाहते हैं redefine कर सकते हैं. redefine करते वक्त fx को कैसे लिखते हैं, fx is equal to x minus minus x if x less than 0 by x. क्यों, mod x का redefine फॉर्म है mod x equal to minus x if x less than 0 equal to x if x greater than 0. मैंने आपको उस टाइम बताया था, इसको याद करना है. तो एक रीडिफाइन फॉर्म हो गया. नेक्स्ट ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0 में क्या आएगा, x माइनस एक्स बाई एक्स इफ x ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0. दैट बिकम्स fx इज इक्वल टू x प्लस एक्स टू एक्स बाई एक्स टू x लेस देन 0. दिस इज 0 इफ x ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0. दोनों अलग अलग आ रहे हैं. आर डी शर्मा में x से कर रखा है, आप सीधे कर सकते हैं रीडिफाइन फॉर्म में ला करके. दैट इज लिमिट fx 0 पे आप पे पूछा गया 0 माइनस 0 से कम, दैट इज इक्वल टू 2. सीधा आ गया. लिमिट fx, दिस इज लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट, एंड लिमिट fx x टेंड्स टू 0 प्लस इज इक्वल टू 0, दैट इज राइट हैंड लिमिट. आप क्या कंक्लूड करेंगे आप, तो आपको रीडिफाइन फॉर्म करना आता है, फिर आपको h का मेथड लगाना जरूरी नहीं. दैट इज लिमिट fx x टेंड्स टू 0 माइनस is equal to limit fx x not equal to limit fx x tends to 0 plus. Therefore, since LHL is not equal to RHL, limit fx x tends to 0 does not exist. Now today we have does not exist. We have studied a new topic, that is limits. When a function's limit is said to be existing, if its left hand limit equal to right hand limit, and then what do you mean by neighborhood, what is the value of h, and how we can redefine the given function. I hope that you understood these questions. Do these questions today itself, and we will continue the next question, other questions in the coming class. See you again. Thank you.